In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gallery view in Notion. If you want a clean, visual way to browse your content, a gallery view is perfect. It turns your pages into cards with images, making it easy to scan and click into what you need. Let's walk through it step by step, nice and simple. First, open the Notion page where you want the gallery to live. Place your cursor where you want the gallery to appear, type /gallery, and press enter. Notion uses slash commands to quickly add blocks and databases, and this one instantly creates a gallery for you. You'll see an empty grid ready for cards. If you'd like, give the gallery a clear title so you know what lives here, but the main thing is that your gallery is now in place. Next, start adding or creating pages inside this gallery. Each card in a gallery is essentially its own page. You can create a new one and give it a title, or convert existing content into a card if it's already organized as subpages. Think of each card as a container for content: text, checklists, links, and especially images. You can add as many pages as you need, and you'll see them appear instantly as cards in the grid. Keep names short and meaningful so they're easy to scan in the gallery. Now, start adding images on each page so they show up as the card preview in the gallery. Open a page and add an image right inside it. You can drag and drop a photo from your computer or paste a link to an image. If you already have a cover or the first image near the top of the page, Notion will typically use that as the preview on the card. Aim for clear, high-quality images that represent the page at a glance. Product shots, thumbnails, or a simple visual that matches the title. If you don't see the image on the card right away, make sure the image is near the top of the page so Notion can pick it up. As you add images to each page, you'll notice the gallery filling in, creating a visual dashboard you can browse quickly. And there you go. You've created a gallery, added pages, and brought it to life with images that appear right on the cards. That's all you need to get a clean, visual layout that's both functional and easy to navigate. Save your work, give your pages clear titles, use consistent image styles, and enjoy your new gallery view in Notion.